I came to alter your head today. Today I came to alter your brain. I'm telling you, you can become anything that you set your mind to achieve in this life. Do not allow anybody to tell you, oh, you cannot achieve it, oh, your father did not do it, you cannot do it. Look, you can become anything, my friend. You can become it. Just change your mindset. Look at this, the story of the lion. The lion is not the fastest animal, it's not the biggest animal, it's not even the wisest animal, but the lion is the king of the jungle. What makes you think that you need your degree to be successful in life? My friend, you need experience, you need brokerage, you need arbitrage. There are many things that you must understand about life. That anything that you set your mind to achieve, you can achieve it. Anything that you set your mind to achieve is very possible, my friend. Do not allow someone that has not achieved anything to come and tell you that it's not possible. When I was in secondary school, sometimes my friend would say, I see your result, or you score F. I see your result, or you score E. From my mind, I said, what is all this one? I knew what I wrote in my exam. Why will you come and tell me that I score F when I know that I passed my exams? This kind of thing. Some people just come into your life to make you afraid because they are not happy. They have this feeling in them that, oh, you are better than them. And then all their life, they just want to put you in a very low position. Don't allow someone to come and tell you, hey, I don't even know for this one again. Someone will just bring his bad energy and pour on you. Anybody that brings bad energy into your life, just push it away. You are yourself now and you know what you want. Why will you allow someone that has bad energy to come and rub it on you? My friend, take control of your life. Everything that you want to achieve is in your mindset. And the first way for you to achieve anything is to believe that you have an abundance mindset. If you have an abundance mindset and believe that anything is possible, that if you can get something today, you can always get it tomorrow. But if you have a scarcity mindset, you say, if I have this one, maybe you can hide it so someone will not take it. Maybe you can hide it so someone will not carry it. My friend, look, you must change your mindset. Your mindset is everything. Don't allow because say you don't get am plenty, you say, I don't get am plenty, man, I go keep up. No, but I no mean say if you don't get am plenty, make you don't go dey spend am, but you must know something. Use your brain, my brother. Look, the thing about life is that you attract what you become. And the moment that you become successful, the moment that you become important, is because that's what you've been attracting. Look, in life, there's what they call energy and frequency. And if you're on a particular energy and frequency, you begin to attract people on that same energy and frequency. No wonder people that smoke, they attract smokers. People that sing, they attract singers. People that are rich, they attract rich people. And then you always see that poor people like to work together. That's why, my friend, you must be different. If you want something in life, or maybe you've been poor for a very long time, the first way for you to achieve that thing is for you to be different, Oga. Just be different. Don't be afraid to be different from your friends. Look, your friends have their own mission. You don't know someone that has his backup plans somewhere else. But for you, you have to take advantage of whatever you have, my friend. Not allow person bad energy come rub on your body. That is very important. You can become anything that you set your mind to. Look, my friends, life is short. And although life is short, it does not mean that you should live life in fear. First, you must enjoy. The pleasure of life is in being comfortable, is in enjoying all the beautiful things because God made them for us, my friend. Look, you can become anything that you want to be. Rich, famous, successful, important, happy, sad, joy, unhappiness, poor, whatever you can set your mind to. Of course, Napoleon Hill, the great writer, he said, whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, you can achieve. This is my quote from me to you. I'm telling you that if you take good importance and then take good advantage of whatever I'm sharing with you today, because I'm always rooting for you, my friends. You always know that from the beginning, I'm always rooting for you. And you are my first love, my guys. You are my first love because I know that it is in you that the change you seek can come out from. Nobody else is waiting for you apart from yourself. You must take responsibility of your life to change your life, my friends. You must take responsibility of your life to change your life. Don't allow person bad energy come rub on you. This is my advice to you. Take control of your life. No talk say, my friend never go university, so I no go university. Na my best friend, so we go together, we die together. You know as e dey be now. No, if you want something, believe in it. Learn to work alone. Sometimes you have to just learn to be alone. Learn solitude. Learn to understand. Learn to endure. No talk say, my best friend is buying pink bag, let me also buy pink bag. Oh, my guy just buy Gucci belt, I go follow buy Gucci belt. This one don buy Benz, so me sef I go follow buy that Benz. Abi you buy Benz, I go buy Range Rover. No, my friends, you must know what you want in your life. Don't be easily influenced by people. Whatever you want in your life, fix your mind upon it. And the first way to achieve anything in your life is to invest in yourself. Investing in education, investing in the way you talk, investing in your social skills, investing in things that can actually push you to achieve greatness in your life. And this, my friends, is my gift from me to you. And like always, I'm rooting for you, and I'll see you again.